Follow the step on how to make a 3D deep hole text effect like this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started by creating a new document. I use this artboard size. Insert a text. Set the font style and properties panel. Set align center. Select the text, effect, 3D, and click extrude. Check preview and draw hidden faces. Set the blending step to the highest number. Change surface to diffuse shading. Position isometric top. Add a little perspective. And set extrude depth. Next, go to Object and click Expand Appearance. Activate Group Selection tool. Hold Shift and click the top surface. Press Ctrl X to cut object, and press Ctrl F to paste in front. Go to Object again, Compound Path, and make. Select, right-click and make Clipping Mask. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.